What you doing, chickadee? Hey! Did I scare you? Did I scare you?
And I fell backwards.
Did you hurt yourself?
No, I just hurt this knee and I didn't get hurt.
Alright, good.
Off the knee pad.
You trying to do jumps off the side of the garden?
No. I'm not trying to.
Whoa. Let me see what you did.
I didn't make it from big.
Ow, ow, ow. Nicholas! You're gonna fall!
What?
What are you gonna do? Making me nervous. Silly.
I'm scared.
That snow is all crunchy, isn't it?
I'm scared. Get out of it. I'm so scared.
Well, go. There. You didn't go very far. Well, I'm going back in. It's freezing.